Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss about two book back 3 marks question in chapter 8. The first one is write a Python program to display the given pattern. The string pattern is given here, that is in first line the word computer is displayed, the second line one compute, that is one character is omitted, the third line two characters omitted, the fourth line 3 characters are omitted, and like that it goes on. Okay, the last line only one character is to be displayed. So we have to write a Python program to get the similar output. Now we will see the execution. So first we have to initialize a string. So let us take s is equal to the string. What is the word you want to display? That is computer. So give within double, it's a string, so we have to give within double quotes computer. So everything should be displayed in the capital letter. So we are displaying, initializing capital computer. Okay. Next. So we are displaying many lines. So definitely we have to use the for loop. So before using the for loop, we are also going to use string slicing operator. Okay. So we are going to make use of a variable called index, because we'll be using, when we slice the string, we'll be using the index position. So we are going to make use of one more variable index. First we are initializing the index with all the characters to be displayed. So we are using the function len. Okay, so len is used for finding the length of the string. So len of s. Okay, so len of s, if you give means 7, 8, so 8 will be the answer for this. Okay, so 8 will be stored in the variable index. Next we are going to make use of for loop. For I in, we are specifying, we are not going to use the range function, but we are going to use the string itself. So for I in string, what is a string? Yes. Okay, so colon. Next we want to make use of the slicing operator. So string slicing. So print. So for print string slicing, we have to write the variable, that is string variable yes, and we have to write the starting index colon ending index. First line you want to display all the characters, so we have to write 0 colon len yes. Okay, so that is what is the length of the string? Length of the string is stored in the variable index, so we can make use of that index. Okay, so colon and close the parenthesis. So yes, index will have the value length of the string 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 will be stored here. Okay, so 0 colon 8. So 0 colon 8 means it will be considered the index as 0 colon 7. So automatically you will get computer, the word computer displayed in the first line. Okay, so next you want to have this index position to be changed as 7. Next 6, like that it has to be reduced one character. So what we can do? We can minus the index value. So index minus equal to 1. Okay, so index minus equal to 1. So first time it will be 8. So it will consider 0 colon 7, because last value always the ending index will be considered as minus 1. So 0 colon 7. So index minus 1 means, so it will be having the value as 7. So 0. Next for the second iteration it will be 0 colon 7. So it will be printing 0 colon 6. So up to E it will be printed. So like that it goes on. So now we will see the execution. See, the computer has been displayed. Okay. So this is the program for getting the string pattern for the first question we discussed. The second question is, what will be the output of the given Python program? str1 is equal to welcome and str2 is equal to toSchool, and they have given str3. So two strings they have initialized. Third string they have made use of string operators. So string 1 colon 2 plus string 2 of len of str of 2 minus 2 colon. and then print str3. So we have to find out string 3, then we have to print string 3. So first we should find out string, what is the value of string 3. Before that we have to find out what is the value of string 2. Okay, so now we will see the index. For the first string that will come, I have assigned the index value. It starts from 0, the last character is 6. Next is string 2, the index position even for the blank space have been assigned. Okay, 0 to 8. So now we want to find out string 2. What is the value for string 2? So len of, first we are going to find out this len of str of 2. Okay, so first to find out the value of len of str of 2. So str of 2, I have given the index 0 to 8. That means the length will be 9. Okay, so this will be 9. So len of str of 2 will be 9. Okay, minus 2. So 9 minus 2. So what is the value of 9 minus 2? That is equal to 7. So str of 2, the first index is given by this expression. Okay, so the first index is given by this expression and we have found out the expression value is 7. So we will be writing this as str of 2 colon, the first index will be, first index will be 7. Okay, colon, the second index is missing. Okay, so here we are using the string slicing operator. The second index is missing. So instead of second index, if it is second index is missing, that is ending index is missing, means we have to consider the entire string, that is start from the index 7 till end of the string. Okay, so go to the str2 index 7 till the end of the string. Okay, so it is sub OL, the character which is present in this is OL. Okay, so str2 value will be OL. Okay, so this value will become OL. And next we want to find out the first one, string slice the first string. What is the first string? Welcome. So first that is starting index is not given, ending index is 2. So the ending index is given as 2 means then it will be 0 is to 1. So this will become 0 is to 1. Okay, so str1 of, so str of 1. So the first one is str2 of 7 colon, so we get the value as OL. Okay, the second one 0 is to 2. Okay, so str1 of 0 is to 2 means, so we have to consider 0 is to 1. Okay, the ending string will be considered as 1 minus 1. So 0 is to 1. What is the value 0 is to 1? WE. So WE. So we found str3 is WE plus OL, that is string concatenation has been used here. Okay, plus operator is string concatenation. So we will be getting the value of str3 as WEOL as a single string. So print str of 3 means we will be getting WEOL. Okay. So the output will be WEOL. So this is the output for this one. So first we have to find out the value of str2. For finding out that, we have to find out the starting index that has been given as an expression, len of str2 minus 2. So 9 minus 2, so 7. Okay, 7 colon, ending is not given. So we will be getting 7 till the end of the string. So that is 2 characters O and L. Okay. Next we want to find out the value of first one, that is str1 of 0. The first index is missing means it will be considered as 0. So 0 is to 2. 0 is to 2 means we have to consider as 0 is to 1. Okay, so WE. So WE, you have plus operator in between, that is concatenation, WE plus OL. So it is used for concatenating the strings, that means joining the two strings. So str3 value will be WEOL. So in the next line they have given print str3, so we'll be getting the output as WEOL.